Hi, so today is day 19. I trained, drank my details, and then I sat down to edit my videos. But something else happened. My design I had some other plans. In fact, my thumbnails was not sitting well with me, so I had to do something about it. Yeah, so in fact the consistency, the template, the look, it wasn't sitting well with me. It's not where I needed it to be, and as a creative designer, I could not move forward until it feels right, until it is right. Yeah, yeah, so I actually spent my own money building a template. Can you imagine? Yeah, one consistent look, one consistent feel, same font, same layout, same energy every single day. That's what happened. Yeah, so here is what I know as a designer. Consistency is not just discipline, it is identity. So when people scroll and see your thumbnail, at least they should know immediately, like, there's this Life of Bibi, no name needed, no explanation, but just the look, the feel, and the brand. That's the impression I was trying to create. So in fact, this is what I'm building today, and I'm not sorry it took all my money. But anyway, the foundation has to be right. It has to be so right. So before you can build anything on top of it, it is not just a design advice. This is a life advice. This is a rebuilding advice. Yeah.
Listen, baby, I say when, baby, I say when. Don't make a move till I tell you to, cause baby, I say when, only I say when. We begin and end, I let you know when it's time to go, cause baby, I say when you get to play, you think you know the rules, but I change them every day. Come and sit and stay, you haven't got a clue, but I like to do my way. Don't speak out every word, guess I'm greedy like that, I'm a greedy girl. Just breathe, feel like oxygen, while you counting from 1 to 10. Listen, baby, I say when, baby, I say when. Don't make a move till I tell you to, cause baby, I say when, only I say when. We begin and end, I let you know when it's time to go, cause baby, I say when. Listen, baby, I say when. Listen, baby, I say when you get to touch, keep begging all you want, cause I love you on your knees. You can't get enough, I'm everything you want and need, baby. Don't speak out every word, guess I'm greedy like that, I'm a greedy girl. Just breathe, feel like oxygen, while you counting from 1 to 10. Listen, baby, I say when, baby, I say when. Don't make a move till I tell you to, cause baby, I say when, only I say when. We begin and end, I let you know when it's time to go, cause baby, I say when. Listen, baby, I say when. Listen, baby, I say when. Listen, baby, I say when, baby, I say when. Don't make a move till I tell you to, cause baby, I say when, only I say when. We begin and end, I let you know when it's time to go, cause baby, I say. Baby, I say when, baby, I say when. Don't make a move till I tell you to, cause baby, I say when, only I say when. We begin and end, I let you know when it's time to go, cause baby, I say.
Hello guys. So today is the 19th and we did it. We did it, yeah. That was a good training we did today. Oof. Let's drink my detox. Yeah. Maybe I should go wash down and come and drink my detox. Cause the girl is tired. Sorry. At the time I was done training,
My detox was hot, so I had to let it warm down a bit. So this is my detox, and let's drink. Oof. Ah. Ah. It's like the same detox, but every day the taste is different. I don't even know how that is possible. But anyway, there's two more, so let's try and drink it. Try that. Whew. Ah. We did it, guys, Charlie.
Day 19 done, I trained and drank my detox. And in fact, I did not edit my videos today. I was supposed to, but because my design high had some other plans, I had to quickly work on the thumbnails. Yeah. So I built something very important today. A visual identity that will carry this channel for the next 71 days and beyond. One thing I know is that sometimes the work that does not look like work is the most important work of all. And yeah, I'm Bibi. I'm rebuilding my life one template at a time. See you tomorrow.